Session of LRDI PYQs. Let's start with this session. I hope all of you will join quickly. And please confirm whether I am audible enough or not. Okay. So before I move further, before we start solving the question, let me tell you the different perks that you are going to enjoy in Plus or Iconic subscription. In Plus subscription, you can learn from India's top educators. There will be a lot of interactive live classes. You can watch all the Plus courses, structured courses and PDFs you will get, and mock test, sectional test and other ambient interest exams test you'll get to solve. And along with that, if you go for Iconic subscription, you have personal coaching available, other ambient interest exams preparation, special batches for example, different exams, SNAB, CMAT, IFT, test for every exam will have separate batch, and experts guidelines you'll get, and test analysis. This is very important, guys. Even if you give mock test, but if you do not analyze it, then it becomes useless. That experience becomes useless. So only if you analyze that test, that will help you make a strategy and improve your score. So these are the different things that you are going to enjoy in Iconic subscription. I'll give you some more information about it. You can use my code SKY10 to get the Iconic subscription or Plus subscription. The 12-month plan is available for 30,000 rupees and the 24-month plan is available for 41,000 rupees. So I hope all of you will get it as soon as possible. Okay. tinyurl.com/Unacademy Akash. Here you will get the links of all my YouTube sessions. That will be very helpful for all of you. Okay, so let's move further. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Unacademy CAT for MBA and Unacademy CAT. Okay, so these are the different things that you can get in Plus and Iconic subscription. Let me explain it in detail. So 4,900 plus structured courses, interactive live classes and recorded classes by top educators in India. In Plus Iconic, both the subscription you are going to get it. Regular live doubt solving sessions, courses for other management and entrance exams, 24/7 doubt solving support, 14,000 plus practice questions, live quizzes, 150 plus mock tests for CAT and other ambient interest exams, live mock test analysis, personal development plan to ace GDPI, VAT, GK rounds, general awareness practice will also be there. Now, if you go for Iconic subscription, what is the extra thing that you are going to get? You will get personal mentorship, personalized OMET's guidance, personalized mock test analysis, interactive webinars for personal development plan, personalized PI mocks. So these are the things that you will enjoy in Iconic subscription. So do not forget to use my code SKY10 to go for either Plus or Iconic subscription. I'll suggest you to go for Iconic subscription because it will certainly give you edge over all the other students. So and if you get this plan, you can have this opportunity to be among those students who can clear a CAT in maybe more than 99 percentile, right? So that will be very helpful. So let's start with this, guys. This is the first question for today. Everybody try to solve this. First read this part कि इस question में उन्होंने क्या बोला है. Okay, try to solve this, everybody. And good morning all of you. Just quickly confirm whether I'm audible enough or not. So in this question, the following table below shows the availability of restaurants of 6 cuisines: Chinese, Chettinad, Mughlai, Japanese, Malwani and Bhutanese in 7 different areas of Mumbai. So it is given in this table what they have given, whether a particular cuisine is available in that particular area or not. Okay, there is another part. The table below shows the average cost per person in rupees for a meal for a restaurant of each cuisine at all 7 areas of Mumbai, as well as travel cost by cab in rupees between any 2 areas. Some information is not applicable. This is indicated by NA in a particular field. cost of dinner includes cost of meal and two-way travel cost. Okay, now try to understand this table. Okay, try to understand this table, what they have mentioned here. First of all, I'll draw a line. Okay, I'll do one thing. Here we have both the tables. In the table, this left side table, we just know whether a particular cuisine is available in that area or not. And this second table shows us the cost of that cuisine, particular cuisine, in different areas. And we have two parts in this second area. Now what are those parts? Let's try to understand. So I'll draw a line over here. Okay, I'll draw a line over here and try to understand this table, what they have mentioned. Now first part shows the cost. Okay, this first part shows the cost of cuisine in any particular area, and this second part shows the travel cost, right? This is the travel cost. Now from Mulund to Mulund, obviously there will not be any travel cost, that's why there is NA. And from Mulund to Vashi we have 230 rupees, and this is one-way travel cost by cab. Now since between Mulund and Vashi we already know that the travel cost is 230, that's why in the column of Vashi there is nothing written in this Mulund in front of this below this Mulund column, right? Because Mulund and Vashi is already been given in front of Mulund, that's why this part will not be given. Similarly, if we talk about let's say Andheri and Kolaba, between Andheri and Kolaba, I'm just explaining this table, the meaning of this table, right? In front of Andheri and below Kolaba we know that there is 320 rupees travel cost. Okay, 320 rupees travel cost. Now try to understand one thing. In front of Kolaba there will not be cost given for Andheri. See, if you notice, in front of Kolaba and below Andheri travel cost is not given because it is already given in front of Andheri. I believe you have understood this part now. Okay, so now we'll try to solve the question, and it's very simple question, guys. So I'll again draw this line just to help you understand that there are two parts of this table. Okay, chalo. So the question is, a resident of Mulund wants to eat Japanese dinner. What is the minimum cost possible for his dinner? Okay, so a resident of Mulund wants to eat Japanese dinner. So what is minimum cost? Let's try to understand this part. So we know that in Mulund Japanese dinner is not available. That's why what any resident of Mulund will do, he'll go for any other different areas where Japanese is available, right? So Japanese is available in Andheri, Kolaba, Dadar, Bandra and Malabar Hill. So let's start from Andheri. What will be the cost, total cost from Andheri? Let's try to understand. So Andheri, if the resident goes to Andheri, he'll have to pay 1750 rupees for the cuisine cost plus travel cost between Mulund and Andheri. What is the travel cost? Between Mulund and Andheri, the travel cost is given as 270 rupees, but this is just the one-way travel cost, isn't it? So the two-way travel cost will be 270 into 2, that is 540 rupees. So what will be the total cost, guys? Can you tell me? What will be the total cost over here? Can anybody tell me quickly? This will be 2290, right? 2290 will be the total cost of Japanese cuisine if he goes to Andheri. Now let's check for Kolaba. Okay, in Kolaba 2225, this is the cost of cuisine, and between Mulund and Kolaba 370 rupees is the travel cost, right? So 370 into 2, that is 740. Now if you try to if you just observe, whatever cost is there, it will be certainly greater than 2290. And for all the different areas now, the cuisine cost itself is too high. That's why the minimum cost will be obviously in Andheri itself. So 2290 is the minimum cost. I believe you have understood this part. So 2290, yes, option C will be the correct answer for this question. I hope you understood this, and it's very simple question. Try to watch this entire question right from the start, guys. You'll understand everything. Okay, so the next question is, a resident of Bandra is fond of a particular type of cuisine and finds it cheaper to travel to Dadar for that type of cuisine than to eat in his own area, which is his favorite cuisine. So बैंड्रा का कोई रेसिडेंट है जो बैंड्रा से चीप उसको दादर में गिरेगा, कोई भी एक वो क्यूजिन हो सकता है. सो विल चेक फॉर दिस थ्री डिफरेंट क्यूजिन्स, चेट्टीनाड, मुगलाई, जापानीज, इन तीनों में से चेक करेंगे. ओके, बैंड्रा में वो रहता है और उससे चीपर कहाँ पे होगा, दादर में जाने के बाद, राइट. सो चलो चेक करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को. जस्ट अ मिनट गाइस. ओके, सो बैंड्रा में वो रहता है. वेयर इज बैंड्रा? ओके, सो हियर इज बैंड्रा, एंड उसे दादर में वो और ज्यादा चीपर कॉस्ट में मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, तो तीन ऑप्शंस कौन से हमारे पास, चेट्टीनाड, मुगलाई एंड जापानीज. तो चेट्टीनाड, मुगलाई एंड जापानीज. चलो, तो सबकी कॉस्ट पहले बैंड्रा में कितनी है वो लिख लेता हूं यहां पे. तो चेट्टीनाड की कॉस्ट है 700 रुपीज, ये बैंड्रा की कॉस्ट है. मुगलाई की कॉस्ट है 350 रुपीज. जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके, एंड जापानीज की कॉस्ट है 2450 रुपीज. ओके, अब यही कॉस्ट हम चेक करेंगे कि दादर में कितना होगा. ओके, तो दादर में देखो, दादर में इफ यू टॉक अबाउट चेट्टीनाड इट विल बी 335 प्लस ट्रैवल कॉस्ट बिटवीन दादर एंड बैंड्रा इज गिवन वेयर, yes, this is the travel cost between दादर एंड बैंड्रा, एंड वो वन वे ट्रैवल कॉस्ट है, तो टोटल 150 होगा. तो यहाँ पे 150 ऐड कर दीजिए. सो यू विल गेट व्हाट, 485. तो देखो यहाँ पे हमने देखा था कि चीपर कॉस्ट हो गया है ना. दादर में अगर वो जाके चेट्टीनाड क्यूजिन खाता है तो उसे चीप रेट में उसको मिलेगा. अब मुगलाई को भी एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. नाउ मुगलाई इज अवेलेबल फॉर 250 रुपीज इन दादर. देखो 250 रुपीज है, तो 250 प्लस 150, ट्रैवल कॉस्ट तो 150 ही रहने वाला है. 250 प्लस 150 कितना होगा टोटल, 250 प्लस 150 इट विल बी 400. सो ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये तो थोड़ा सा महंगा हो गया. जापानीज चेक करते हैं. जापानीज इज 2250. सो 2250 प्लस 150, तो ये हो जाएगा 2300. यस, तो 2400 एग्जैक्ट हो जाएगा. मतलब चेट्टीनाड भी चीप रेट में उसको मिला और जापानीज भी चीप रेट में मिला. इसका मतलब हम यहाँ पे फिक्स नहीं कर सकते कि दोनों में से उसका फेवरेट क्यूजिन कौन सा है, राइट. दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस पार्ट. एकदम सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. चलो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव मील वन कैन ईट इफ वन लिव्स इन अंधेरी. Okay, simple question है. Let's try to understand. What is the cost of most expensive meal one can eat if one lives in अंधेरी. तो अंधेरी में रहने के बाद आपको मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव मील आप कौन सा एंजॉय कर सकते हो. ठीक है, अब पूरे टेबल में देखो, ये जो लेफ्ट साइड वाला टेबल है वो क्यूजिन कॉस्ट है, राइट. तो सबसे कॉस्टली क्यूजिन कौन सा दिख रहा है आपको, देखो 3000 रुपीज. मालाबार हिल जाओगे और वहां पे जापानीज क्यूजिन आप एंजॉय करोगे, it will cost you 3,000 rupees plus you'll have to pay the travel cost as well. तो अंधेरी एंड मालाबार हिल के बीच में ट्रैवल कॉस्ट, वन वे ट्रैवल कॉस्ट इज 275 रुपीज, तो टू वे ट्रैवल कॉस्ट हो जाएगा 550 रुपीज, इजंट इट? एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि बाकी कहीं पे इतना कुछ महंगा होने वाला है। तो हमें पता चल गया कि 3550 दिस इज द कॉस्टलीस्ट क्यूजिन he can enjoy if a person stays in Andheri. So 3550 option check करते हैं. Yes. So option B is the correct answer. I believe there is no doubt you have understood this part. A family of 4 living in Mulund wish to have Chettinad cuisine for dinner. Okay. तो देखो इस मुलुंड में रहते हैं वो लोग और 4 लोग हैं फैमिली में. Which suburb will be cheapest for the family? Assume that cab holds 4 people. तो जो ट्रैवल कॉस्ट है वो तो एक कैब का ही लगेगा, और चेट्टीनाड क्यूजिन के लिए कहाँ पे, देखो वाशी, अंधेरी, कोलाबा, दादर, इन चारों में से सबसे चीप कहाँ पे उनको होगा? सो फैमिली स्टेज इन मुलुंड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिव मी अ मिनट. सो द फैमिली स्टेज इन मुलुंड, मुलुंड में वो रहते हैं and they want to enjoy Chettinad cuisine. Okay, so वाशी, अंधेरी, कोलाबा, दादर, इन चारों में से सबसे चीप उनको कहाँ पे होगा? अब एक चीज ध्यान रखना, उनको क्यूजिन का कॉस्ट 4 plates they are going to enjoy, since there are 4 members in the family, so they are going to enjoy 4 plates, right? So cuisine cost multiplied by 4 plus travel cost, 2-way travel cost. तो वो चेक करते हैं कि कहाँ पे सबसे उनको चीप रेट में मिलेगा. तो एक चीज तो है कि कोलाबा में तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत महंगा होगा. कोलाबा तो हम कैलकुलेट ही नहीं करेंगे, राइट? क्योंकि 800 है चेट्टीनाड क्यूजिन का कॉस्ट, राइट? चेट्टीनाड ही है ना वो. लेट मी चेक. यस, चेट्टीनाड क्यूजिन. तो कोलाबा में तो चेट्टीनाड इज टू कॉस्टली, तो बाकी सबका चेक करते हैं. सो फॉर वाशी 375 is the cuisine cost. देखो 375 cuisine cost multiplied by 4 plus मुलुंड से वाशी के बीच में ट्रैवल कॉस्ट इज 230 रुपीज. मुलुंड टू वाशी ट्रैवल कॉस्ट इज 230, तो 460 हो जाएगा टू वे कॉस्ट, करेक्ट? तो मुझे जल्दी से बताइए ये कितना होने वाला है एवरीबॉडी? सो 375 into 4, तो 1200 and 300, 1500, so 1960. 1960 is the total cost for this family if they enjoy Chettinad cuisine. Now let's check for Andheri. Okay, so Andheri में 350 होगा. अब 350 multiplied by 4 plus, अब 350 multiplied by 4 तो 1400 plus between Mulund and Andheri the travel cost is 270, तो 270 into 2 हो जाएगा 540. चलो चेक करते हैं यहाँ पे. सो 1400 plus 540 तो 1940 हो गया यहाँ पे. तो अंधेरी थोड़ा सा चीप रेट में हो गया. दादर चेक करते हैं. दादर इज चेट्टीनाड क्यूजिन कॉस्ट 335 रुपीज. 335 into 4 प्लस मुलुंड टू दादर ट्रैवल कॉस्ट इज 270, तो यहाँ पे भी 540 हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स हु थोड़ा जिन्होंने लेट ज्वाइन किया, आप फिर से देखिएगा जरूर इस क्वेश्चन को, स्टार्टिंग से देखिएगा. इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो 335 into 4 तो कितना हो गया ये? 1200 plus 140, तो 1200 plus 140 हो गया 1340. 1340 plus 540, so 1880 हो गया यहाँ पे, राइट? 1880. आई बिलीव यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. तो सबसे चीप रेट में कहाँ पे हुआ? दादर. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. आई बिलीव ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस एंड यस, ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन. स्टार्टिंग से फिर से देखना इस क्वेश्चन को. इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन गाइस. ऑलराइट, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू एंजॉयड सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. So fine, so we are going to stop here for today. तो ये क्वेश्चन जरूर सॉल्व करना. So thank you so much guys, and do not forget to use my code SKY10 in order to get iconic subscription or plus subscription. In iconic subscription, there are many perks that you can enjoy. You'll get personal coaching, which is very, very important. So use the code SKY10 and you can go for 12-month or 24-month iconic subscription in an Academy learning app. So thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.